Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? Or that a shrimp's heart is actually in its head? The animal kingdom is full of mind-blowing facts that will leave you amazed. From creatures that can live without their brains, to animals that glow in the dark, nature is packed with surprises. In this video, we're revealing 7 incredible animal facts that you probably never knew. But once you do, you'll never look at these creatures the same way again. Get ready to be shocked, entertained, and fascinated. Today we will talk about Did You Know? 7 surprising facts about animals that will blow your mind. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Animals have been living on this planet far longer than humans, evolving in ways that are nothing short of spectacular. Some possess abilities so extraordinary that they seem almost supernatural. From creatures that can regenerate their bodies to those that can survive in outer space, the animal kingdom is full of surprises that challenge everything we think we know about life. In this video, we are going to explore 7 absolutely mind-blowing facts about animals. Some of them will make you question reality, while others might just leave you in awe of how incredible nature truly is. Stick around until the end, because the last fact is something so astonishing that it could redefine the way we look at intelligence in the natural world. Let's dive in. 1. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Imagine having not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. That's the reality for octopuses, some of the most intelligent and mysterious creatures in the ocean. These marine animals have 3 separate hearts working together to pump blood throughout their bodies. 2 of these hearts are responsible for sending blood to the gills, where oxygen is absorbed, while the 3rd heart pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. But the weirdness doesn't stop there. Octopuses also have blue blood instead of red. The reason? Unlike humans, who rely on iron-rich hemoglobin to carry oxygen in their blood, octopuses use hemocyanin, a copper-based protein that turns their blood blue. This adaptation helps them survive in deep, cold waters, where oxygen is scarce. Their intelligence is just as fascinating. Octopuses can solve puzzles, escape from enclosures, recognize individual humans, and even use tools. In captivity, they've been known to unscrew jars from the inside, slip through tiny openings, and even steal from nearby tanks. Some scientists believe octopuses could be the closest thing to an alien species living on Earth, due to their radically different nervous system and problem-solving abilities. 2. Tardigrades can survive in outer space. When it comes to survival, no creature on Earth can match the resilience of the tardigrade, a microscopic water-dwelling organism often called a water bear. These tiny creatures can endure extreme heat, deadly radiation, crushing pressure, and even the vacuum of space. In 2007, scientists sent tardigrades into space on a European Space Agency mission. These tiny creatures were exposed to the harsh conditions of outer space, freezing temperatures, cosmic radiation, and a complete lack of oxygen. When they were brought back to Earth, they simply rehydrated and continued living as if nothing had happened. Their secret to survival lies in a process called cryptobiosis, in which they lose almost all the water in their bodies and essentially shut down their metabolism. In this state, they can survive for decades without food or water, and withstand conditions that would kill almost any other living thing. Could tardigrades be the first Earthlings to colonize other planets? Only time will tell. 3. Crows remember faces and hold grudges. We often associate intelligence with primates, dolphins, and elephants, but crows are proving themselves to be just as clever, if not more so. Studies have shown that crows can recognize and remember human faces for years. If they perceive someone as a threat, they will remember and even communicate this information to other crows. In an experiment conducted at the University of Washington, researchers wore masks while capturing and tagging crows. Even years after their release, the crows would scold, swoop at, and harass anyone wearing those same masks. Even more fascinating, the crows taught their offspring to recognize and distrust those faces, proving that they pass down knowledge across generations. But crows don't just remember their enemies. They also form bonds with humans who treat them well. There have been multiple cases where crows have left shiny trinkets, buttons, or bottle caps as gifts for people who regularly feed them. Some even bring small, wrapped items as if offering a token of gratitude. Their intelligence is so advanced that crows can use tools, solve puzzles, and even understand basic physics, making them one of the most intelligent non-mammals. 4. Male seahorses give birth. When we think of pregnancy in the animal kingdom, we assume that females are the ones who carry and give birth to offspring. But in the case of seahorses, the roles are completely reversed. The males are the ones that give birth. Female seahorses deposit their eggs into the male's specialized pouch, where he fertilizes them internally and carries them until they hatch. During this time, the male provides oxygen and nutrients to the developing babies. Once they are fully developed, he expels them into the ocean, often giving birth to hundreds of tiny seahorses at once. Scientists believe this role reversal helps maximize reproduction rates. Since the males carry the babies, it frees the females to produce more eggs, ensuring the population grows at a faster rate. Seahorses are also known for their lifelong monogamy, which is rare in the animal world. Mated pairs perform elaborate courtship dances, wrapping their tails around each other and moving in sync before the female transfers her eggs to the male. Talk about a romantic twist in nature. 5. Elephants can hear through their feet. Elephants are known for their strong social bonds, incredible memory, and emotional intelligence, but did you know that they can hear through their feet? Elephants communicate through low-frequency sounds called infrasound, which can travel for miles. But because these sound waves are too deep for human ears to detect, elephants rely on another method to listen. The pads on their feet are highly sensitive to vibrations, allowing them to pick up seismic signals through the ground. This ability helps elephants detect distant threats, locate water sources, and even sense approaching storms or earthquakes. Researchers believe that when elephants move in large groups, they send out vibrations that other elephants can interpret from miles away. 6. Some jellyfish are immortal. What if aging was optional? For one species of jellyfish, it actually is. The Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, has an incredible ability. It can reverse its own aging process indefinitely. When faced with stress, starvation, or injury, this jellyfish can transform itself back into a polyp, its earliest stage of life, essentially resetting its biological clock. This process can repeat indefinitely, making it theoretically immortal. Scientists are studying this remarkable creature to understand how it regenerates itself and whether its secrets could one day help humans unlock the mystery of aging. 7. Dolphins call each other by name. Dolphins are some of the most intelligent creatures in the ocean, and their communication skills are truly astonishing. Research has revealed that dolphins give each other unique names, using signature whistles to identify individuals within their pod. When a dolphin hears its name called by another, it recognizes and responds, just like humans do. Even more impressively, dolphins remember the names of other dolphins for decades, making them one of the few species capable of long-term social recognition. Scientists believe that dolphins use these whistles in the same way we use names, strengthening social bonds and maintaining relationships even when they haven't seen each other in years. The animal kingdom is full of surprises, and these 7 facts prove just how incredible and diverse life on Earth really is. From octopuses with 3 hearts to immortal jellyfish, nature never ceases to amaze us. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.